bakit ba ako nag-end up on deciding to finally rebrand or rename our crowdsourcing Shopee to a better YouTube channel name, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency. So ang ginawa ko dito, nag-research muna ako sa files ng YouTube. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, i-click natin itong learn more na hyperlink. And then i-click natin itong browse all articles. Meron ditong option to input yung how can we help you. Ang gagawin nyo dyan, i-type nyo lang yung basic information. Ayan, manage your channel's basic information. Ayan. So for example, kagaya nyo ako na magde-decide sa pagpapalit ng YouTube channel name and description, ito yung pwede nating gawing reference. Ayan. Okay, so kapag ka nasa manage your channel's basic information na tayo, i-click lang natin itong change your channel name and description. And then meron ditong reference video na pwedeng sundan para magkaroon tayo ng idea on how to best choose our YouTube channel name, basic information and description. So for more information, try nating panoorin itong video galing from the YouTube creator team on how to choose your YouTube channel name. Okay? So play natin and then magbibigay din ako ng sarili kong opinion.
When it comes to naming your channel, there's no exact science.
Okay? No exact science.
The first step is to know what kind of videos you want to make and what you want your channel to be known for.
Okay.
Here are some tips to consider.
Ayan, number 1 tip.
Choose a channel name that's easy to remember.
Kailangan daw madaling maintindihan, madaling maalala ng mga manunood.
For example, if you choose a random name that's just a combination of numbers and letters, how will new viewers find you?
So as much as possible, bawasan natin yung yung paglalagay ng mga numbers. Kung ikaw din yung mismong manonood ng YouTube channel tapos parang may mga kakatuwang numbers, 'di ba parang maalala mo ba yun agad?
It's not impossible to build a brand around something like this, but when first starting out, it's helpful to be as memorable as possible.
Ayan, so nakita niyo yun kanina, hindi makapag-decide yung parang robot na marunong yata siya mag-bake, pero yung una niyang nilalagay yung mga series of numbers, pero ginawa niya Robo Baker. So, 'di ba, mas catchy and easy to remember.
Pick a name that
Stay focused.
resonates with a unique audience. When starting out, creating videos for a unique target audience.
Ayan. So yun pala, target audience. Ito yung isa sa mga importante kasi nga naman, tandaan natin na yung success ng mga YouTube channel naka-base yan sa viewer behavior, yung viewer experience. So kung ano yung nagugustuhan ng mga audience, ng mga viewers sa ating mga videos na ina-upload, kung doon tayo magfo-focus, we can gain or expect better results from that. Kasi sa ganitong paraan din nagwo-work yung algorithm ni YouTube. Kapag ka nanonotice niya na maganda yung engagement ng videos na yon sa mga audience, maraming likes, maraming comments, maraming views, that's the time na nagiging viral ang isang video and mas napopromote ito sa YouTube platform. Mas maraming napapanood and nafu-fulfill yung pinaka-goal ni YouTube na to make the viewer or audience stay in the longest time possible para mas magkaroon ng opportunity to serve your audience advertisement. So in return, as a creator, as a YouTube creator, nagiging positive din to in terms of our YouTube monetization and YouTube revenue. Kasi mas maraming nasa-serve na advertisement. Okay, so yung number 3 daw, be relevant.
If you're into beauty, cooking, or gaming, does it make sense to incorporate your passion into your channel name? Or do you want to be known by your own name?
Okay, so dito naman, may option tayo as YouTube creators to use our own name as our YouTube channel, or pwede tayong mag-come up ng whichever YouTube channel name based on our niche and content.
Or maybe even a stage name.
Okay, consider legibility.
Case sensitive, so use capital.
So important din. Pwede din palang mag-caps. Depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gagamitin yung lowercase and uppercase letters.
That helps make it more readable. Take your
time daw, number 5. Wag masyadong magmadali.
time. This is a big decision, so take a few days or more to really brainstorm what you want to be known as. Lastly, you can change your channel name in the future.
Ayun, sabi dito, number 6. So si YouTube na mismo yung nagsasabi na you can change your channel name in the future. So, di ba?
Remember that being consistent with your name is important for building your brand. But if you find that your name isn't right
Ayan, tingnan natin to. Maganda tong part na to eh. Ayan, remember that being consistent with your name
with your name is important
is important for building your
for building
brand.
your brand. But if you find that
But if you find your name isn't right for
your
you,
name isn't right for you, you can change
palitan mo.
it. Becoming popular on YouTube is much more than just picking
Hindi lang naman dun. Halimbawa, pinalitan mo yung pangalan mo, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, bigla ka ng dadaming subscribers, biglang dadami yung views, hindi yung ganun. Marami ka pang dapat pagtrabahuhan, pero magandang impact kasi yung nakikreate nito kapag aligned yung YouTube channel name mo sa mismong niche and content ng YouTube channel natin.
a good name. We've seen successful creators
We've seen successful creators follow all of these tips,
follow all of these tips while others follow none.
pero yung iba hindi naman to ginagawa. Okay. So case-to-case basis din. Ibig sabihin yung mga ibang YouTube channel na parang kakaiba yung pangalan nila or hindi agad marirecognize yung niche and content nila based sa kanilang YouTube channel name, ay nagiging successful pa rin dahil nakadepende nga sa engagement ng YouTube channel with their viewers yung success ng mga YouTube channel.
So keep in mind that how your viewers
Ayun,
engage with your content
Basa ko
will
na kasi yan.
always be the most important thing.
Yan.
But a memorable name can certainly help.
Ayan. Pero malaking tulong din daw naman siya diyan. So okay naman.
Good luck!
So ito yung information na na-obtain ko from the YouTube creator team or yung YouTube help kung paano ako nag-come up and nag-decide ng aking YouTube channel name. Pangalawa, meron din akong in-install na extension for vidIQ. Kapag sinearch ko yung mismong YouTube channel name, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency, kahit papano, yung overall score nito, medium. Mababa lang yung competition pero yung volume maraming posibleng makakita. Nasa gitna lang. So fair enough. And then top channels for this search term. So kapag ito yung search term, for some reason ito yung sinearch ng viewer or ng subscriber, most likely kahit papaano nandito yung crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel. So magandang indication to kasi kahit papaano, kahit na nag-start pa lang mag-grow yung ating channel, pumasok siya doon sa top channels for this search term. So okay yan. Kasi nung una na nag-iisip ako kung gagawin ko bang Involve Asia and Crypto yung pangalan. Pero dito kasi hindi siya nag-come up. Although parehas sila ng overall score, 59. Mababa din yung competition. 59 yung yung volume niya nasa gitna pero mababa lang yung competition. So okay naman sila parehas in terms of overall score sa vidIQ search term. Pero ito yung pinili ko, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency, dahil kahit papano na identify na yung crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel, namimit niya yata yung ganitong YouTube search term sa algorithm. Ito yung final decision ko na magiging new channel name ng ating crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel. So again, our new YouTube channel name will be Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency, formerly known as Crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel. Ayan. So on our next video naman, i-discuss ko kung paano palitan yung channel URL para mag-reflect na yung bago nating channel name na Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency. So more fruitful gains everyone. God bless, good health, and I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.